Jai Sriman Narayana. 24th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yaha antas sukhaha antararamaha tadha antarjyotihi yevayaha sayogi brahmanirvanam brahmabhutaha adhigacchati. Om. You are an Atma. You have to become freed from the identification with the body. That is called self-realization. Then your qualities like joy, bliss, purity, knowledge spontaneously increases. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall constantly remember that I am eternal. I shall constantly try to become freed from the identification with the body. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. O Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Sriman Narayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when one Chandala came to Rantideva and asked for water, Rantideva's heart got melted and speaking so gracefully these words to that Chandala. This slokam in which Rantideva's words are there is supposed to be remembered by every human. So that is why I say this sloka, you all please repeat. Nakamayeham Gatim Ishvarat Param Ashtaruddhiyuktam Apunarbhavam Va Artim Prapadye Akhila Deha Bhajam Antasthitaha Yena Bhavanti Adukhaha. Again I will chant this. Nakamayeham gatimishvarat param ashtaruddhiyuktam apunarbhavam va Artim prapadye khila deha bhajam Antasthito yena bhavanti adukhaha. What is the meaning of this sloka? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 24th sloka. Yontas sukhontara tadhantar jyotirevayaha sayogi brahmanirvanam brahmabhutodhigacchati. Yontas sukhontara tadhantar jyotirevayaha sayogi brahmanirvanam brahmabhutodhigacchati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishna arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.